Are we rolling? Yes, we are. What's up, guys? It's your boy McKinley Crain here. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new pair of New Balance Ultra Soft trail running shoes. And what Ultra Soft means is that it has a double layered like bottom and the bottom of the inside of the shoe, like the top part of the sole. So got these at Rack Room. For like 69 bucks, 69.99. It's actually pretty cheap. Um, these look good, and I haven't even worn them yet. I'm going to wear them. They look really nice. Like, I'll show them to you in a second. And I really like the design. And I tried on like a pair of New Balance of these in the store, and they're really comfy. So, and what I meant by I haven't worn these yet is that I haven't worn this particular pair of those shoes yet. So, let's see. Okay, shoe number 1, shoe number 2. Oh, hold on. Over here, may be hard to see, but see, look, that's like the sole part, where like it's really soft, and apparently it has an ultra soft feel and it's long-lasting comfort. Okay, so this is like the view from the side. I really like how they put red and black on the bottom. That looks really good with like the gray and the white, and they got a little red on the top. Here's what it looks like on the inside. Y'all, I know the lighting for this video was pretty blurry, but like there's something wrong with my lighting, so hold on. Oh, and the New Balance logo is red. So, oh, and on the back it says BLL Terrain, and it may be hard to see, but it says 510 V3 right here. Yeah, you can kind of see it. Yeah, you can see it. Can't wait to like wear these, if you know what I mean. They're supposed to be really good for running and really comfortable. I love like when shoes have like extra padding, because that feels really good. I love the design of these shoes. Okay, put this one aside, and here's the other one. It's like the exact identical to the other one, and I really like these. I'm gonna show you what they look like when they're like put together in a second. Hold on, let me just push the box out of the way. Front view. See, look really nice. Really like them. I haven't like ran around in like a pair of these shoes yet, since when you're trying on a pair of shoes in the rack room, you're not supposed to like, run all over the place like, yay, whatever. Like, you're just supposed to walk around in them. I mean, they won't like it if you run around. Plus, it would be pretty annoying, and who does that anyway? Probably a whole bunch of little kids. I cannot wait to wear these. I'll be wearing them soon. They still have that shoe store smell, if you know what I mean. I believe they sell these online. Amazon, New Balance store. They sell these at, like, yes, they do sell these at Rack Room. That's where I got them. I think they might sell them at Shoe Carnival. Anyway, I really like them, and I cannot wait to wear them. Oh, and another thing, check out the laces. It may be hard to see, but the laces are black with like little red stripes. And really like them. And I love how, like, there's that little red peak that just comes up in the middle of the white. Like, the bottom of the shoe is really thick, and then it gets really thin. These are obviously running shoes. I think they're going to be terrific for running. And that's going to have to end my review. If you haven't already done this, then like my video and hit that like button. That's what I meant by like my video. And subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you can get notified about every video I upload. I will return.